Every dividend investor eventually runs into the same question. Do you buy on a set schedule or do you try to time the dips? And I used to think that timing mattered more. Then I got honest with myself and realized how often I actually caught an actual dip versus how often I told myself I'd buy, and then I just didn't. I didn't get around to it. So today, I'm not going to try to time anything. I'm going to build a rule using AI, and then I'm going to prove whether it actually works before a single dollar goes into it. And here's the exact plan. Every week, buy one share of SCHD. Now, if SCHD closes below 5% or more where it closed the week before, I want to pick up an additional share that same day. That's it. No guessing, no doubling down, just one clear rule with one built-in exception for when shares go on sale. And I want to be upfront about why I'm using one share and not some big dollar amount. Because you don't need a large account to build an actual habit. The rule matters more than the size of it. Once this works at one share, you can then scale that exact same logic to whatever number fits your own budget. Whether that's 5 shares, 10 shares, it doesn't matter. But this is where Moomoo's AI strategy tool comes in, today's sponsor. Instead of just writing code, I'm going to describe the plan in plain English. And it's going to build the actual strategy for me. And if I want it to, I can also have my account actually buy those shares of SCHD. Are you a fan of SCHD, by the way? If you are, drop a comment, let me know. How are you doing with your dividend payouts? I bet they're growing. So first thing we want to do is we want to pull up the Moomoo desktop. If you don't have Moomoo, it's free to download it and get started. So link is in the description below. I'll talk a little bit more about that in just a minute. But here's what you want to do. When you pull up the desktop, go to the top left. You see the Moomoo AI right up there? That's what we want to click. Now, here's what I'm going to type to the AI. Buy one share of SCHD every Tuesday. If SCHD is down 5% or more from its prior week high, I want to buy a second share. Place no more than 2 buys in any week and send me a notification whenever an order is placed. Now, we can see it thinking here. It's kind of cool, right? And then what it's going to do is recap what the plan is going to be. I suggest, because as I was learning this, I had to really look through this thing. Read over and make sure this is the strategy you want. If not, you can type to the AI and adjust that strategy and say, no, I want you to do this instead of that. And once you're ready and you feel that you have the strategy clearly laid out in the AI, then you want to click Build Strategy right down here. Then you're going to see it happen. Once it builds that, you can flip over to the canvas view and see the exact same logic laid down as visual blocks. This matters because I'm not just trying to trust a black box. I want to actually see what it's going to do before it does it. And here's the part that most people skip and don't test first. And I really recommend that you do. Before any of this touches my real money, I'm going to run it through a backtest against years of historical SCHD data. 3 numbers that I care about. We're going to go to the top right. We're going to click on backtest. And what you want to do is I'm going to go back to 2025. I just want to see what the last year looks like. And as I run this backtest, these are the 3 numbers. I care about total return, so I know if the rule would have actually grown my money. Max drawdown, which for a long-term investor is the number that actually matters because it tells you whether you could have emotionally stuck with this plan through the worst stretch. And the trade by trade log. So I can see exactly when the extra share would have triggered. And check this out. You can actually see your position during the period of time that you selected. You can also see the history, and if you're a little bit of a nerd like me, you can go into the log and see technical details. But here's an important part right here. Look at this. It mentions that your positions paid a cash dividend, and your cash balance is now $8.99. This means that in this particular strategy, the dividends are not being reinvested. You would need to adjust this in your strategy or your account. I want to be completely honest, though, about something that's important. A backtest is going to tell you how this rule would have performed on the past. It does not promise anything about the future. Nobody knows the future and what's going to happen. In fact, Moomoo says this directly in their own disclosures, and I'm going to repeat it because I think it's very true and important. Past performance, whether it's real or backtested, is never a guarantee. Assuming the backtest holds up, the next step is one click. Moomoo moves the strategy from backtest straight into live. You review the live trading settings, agree to the risk disclosure, and from there it runs on its own. You can still watch the running logs, of course, the order status, the profit and loss, anytime that you check in. But the day-to-day decision of having to remember to log in, think about it, buy the share, all that stuff, that's off your plate. It's all running in the background. Now, if you're ready to make this strategy real in your account, first, you're going to want to make sure you have a cash balance set up in your investment portfolio to begin the trading. Then select live trade right up here, and then either run on the computer or run on the cloud. Moomoo allows me 2 algo trades on the cloud, which means it'll run on the server and I don't have to keep my computer linked up. And you can cancel it at any time. And by the way, this doesn't have to be SCHD. This could be whatever ETF or even any stock that you want. I'm just choosing SCHD for this particular example. But how cool is this? This is why you need to get started with Moomoo, because they don't have like any of this in any of the other brokerages that I've found. But question for you. Would you like me to actually do this particular algo trade in SCHD and report back to you how it's going? Or would you rather me do something else, like a different ETF or a stock? Let me know in the comments below, because perhaps this could be a sequel to the $5 a day series. Now, quick note for the more technical crowd, and some of you are going to be super excited about this, Moomoo also has something called API skills, and that allows you to connect an AI that you already use to Moomoo, like Claude, or whatever your favorite AI is, directly into your account in plain language. No coding is required, and your login credentials never leave that connection, and nothing executes automatically unless you specifically turn that feature on. Now, if that's not you, don't worry about it. Everything I showed you earlier with the AI strategy tool is built into Moomoo and doesn't require any connections to another AI. But I'll be honest, I don't know yet if 1 share a week with a 5% pullback is the best version of this yet. That's kind of the point. The backtest tells you before your money finds out the hard way. And I'm not telling you that you need to copy my exact rule. I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't a recommendation at all. It's just one example of a disciplined approach that you can build. What I'm telling you is that removing the day-to-day decision from yourself and replacing it with a rule that you already tested is a real way to stop your own emotions from getting in the way of a plan that actually works. So get yourself up to $1,000 in NVIDIA stock and 8.1% APY on uninvested cash by getting Moomoo today. Linked in the description below. Learn all about Moomoo for beginners in this video up here next. Want to learn more about SCHD? Well, that video is right down here. Keep building your Sharpe money, and I'll see you on the next video.